to support state and non-state actors' efforts and initiative towards promoting peace before, during and after the elections.
Umuwaziri w'ekindemero mense ya Kenya Peter Munyani goritkoria rero baba kumerana ne kyombe kya Law Society of Kenya gekoragwa n'umuteneneri w'ekyombe kyo Eric Veure eryo gukwanira na kyemero birera kikobekwa eryo kogayana amangana y'ekindemero anene ase county ya Gusii.
So today's meeting was convened by professionals in our sector, the Law Society of Kenya and the ISK and other professional organizations, following a meeting we had last week. And the meeting of last week was basically to look at the challenges that professionals were experiencing in their uptake of the National Land Information Management System at ISATO. So today's meeting was basically to review the resolutions or the decisions we reached last week and agree with the professionals day to day how we are going to work together in order to stabilize the system and make sure that all professionals are working comfortably on the platforms. They had their specific issues, their concerns, what it is that is troubling them as they try to deploy the platform. But I think we have reached an amicable settlement that we will continue to work together as teams from government, teams from the private sector in order to stabilize the platform. We'll look into specific concerns and try to address them as quickly as possible. I think
we also recognize that the ISATO system has undergone significant modifications from the proposals that have been put forth both by advocates and by members of ISK, and so we are reasonably confident that the continued specter of dialogue and engagement will enable us to unlock the challenges that we have been facing, looking at everything in totality in terms of the challenges that we are facing and the solutions that have been proposed here and the changes that we can look forward to. We believe that we are now on the firm track of eliminating or rather reducing the challenges that the system has been having.
Umwanchi omurigerirwa nongo sabo kwabera muwaziri w'ekindemero ni gakoro kumusibati Farida Karoni na tari Peter Munyamuna naika gotebya bwo ritangani